Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox this Acer Nitro 5. So this is a gaming laptop. So there's the specs over here. So it's 17.3, so it's big screen. i7 11th gen, it's 16 gig RAM, 1 terabyte SSD and 3050 Ti with 4 gig RAM. So 3050 is probably similar to 2060, like by speed, by power. So the box is a little bit up. So the box is a little bit up. So we'll see how it is. So we're gonna open. There's a seal here, and there's a seal here. I'm gonna open this seal. Cut. It's like this, like that. Like this. Here we should have a charger. This is the charger. So this is one part, and this is the other part. Okay. Then it comes with this Nitro thing. Is it like this thing? And then this, it's to connect. It's like SATA connectors. With this thing. Interesting. I believe this goes inside. Yeah, it goes inside. This is SATA. This is power. This is SATA. So this goes inside of the computer. It's into the motherboard. I guess they gave this option for those who want to upgrade. Okay, so I'm going back here. So I have manual. These two things protect really well. I hope it didn't get beat up. Okay, so here I'm gonna take it out. Nitro, here Acer. Okay. So we have here two USBs. This for internet, headphone input. Here we have USB-C. Another USB and HDMI. This one is pretty big. I believe it's for charging. So let's see. And this one must be for charging. Right. It's nice. So on this side over here. I have serial number here. That's an interesting design. Okay, let's open it. So open it here. So I have these buttons because it's a gaming laptop. I have these numeric buttons here, right? We have a webcam over here, right? So 144 Hertz, Full HD. Okay, so it's pretty good actually. 144 is good. So that's pretty much it. That's how it looks like. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.